I saw that defense up for Louisville. Dunn in left, Hines in center, Fraley in right. Higgins and Jordan on the left side of the infield. Johnson and Encarnacion Strand on the right side. And Banfield doing the catching for Chase Petty. And the 1-0 from Petty's a bit low.
You can see he's a top prospect for the Reds.
No question. 2-0. Bit off the plate there. 95-mile-an-hour fastball. He goes fastball, slider, changeup, cutter. Number 3 prospect in the Cincinnati Reds organization. And the pitch will be outside.
Trout.
Yeah, that's pretty good. 3-1 pitch, lifted in the air, foul and out of play. Although, 3-2 pitch. That one lifted in the air, high and foul down the right field line. I mean, he doesn't even have Jace Young in the lineup.
Or Jahmai
Jones. Ball 4. It'll be a walk for Hao-Yu Lee.
And Matt, right there is how I know Hao-Yu Lee is seeing the ball much better. He would have swung at that early in the year and been a strikeout. He's now laying off that pitch, and he's rewarded.
Gage Workman to the plate. Triple. And the Mud Hens strike first once again. That's been part of the first run of the game.
Well, Matt, I'm going to give you another positive stat.
And the pitch will be outside.
It's interesting.
2-1 to.
I don't know what's wrong on Saturday, but.
And a bouncer up the middle. This will have a shot. No, good backhand stab. And a play there by Ivan Johnson. That ends the inning.
Oh, I'm sure.
Really watching heavily tonight. 2-2 pitch, grounder up the middle. Lee had it played perfectly behind the second base bag. Flips over to get the catcher Banfield 4-3. Have him see some at bats. Line shot. This is heading towards right field. That's going to get down. It's going all the way to the wall from Hao-Yu Lee. In comes Bly Madriz. Meadows around third. Lee going for third, and he's out at third base. He drives in 2 as Madriz scores. Meadows scores. And you can make it 4-1 Toledo. Hao-Yu Lee's going to get credit for a double. And drives in 2 runs. He's out trying to stretch it to a triple.
I have no problem with that. You want to be aggressive on the base paths. He had a legitimate chance to make it. It was a great relay by the Louisville Bats, and it was still close. And that's the big improvement.
And the 0-1, chopper hit over towards third. It's fielded by Kreidler. He'll go to second. Relay's not in time. Oh boy, that's a heck of a play to get the front man in P.J. Higgins.
It really was. I thought the third baseman was going to have enough speed to get to that. Couldn't get to it, but Kreidler, as usual, Johnny on the spot, gets the sure out. They had a chance for the double play, just couldn't turn it. Too much speed going down first.
Explain that there, because, Bruce, that is perfect baseball there. 2-run double his last time up. 1 for 2. He's also got a walk.
And Louisville will bring their defense in to try to cut off any play at the plate.
And the pitch is off the plate. Taylor Owens is up throwing in the Mud Hens bullpen.
And he's heating up.
And the 2-0 from San Martin. Driven in the air, high. And the 2-1 will be inside corner for a strike. Make it 2-2. The 2-2 is a chopper up the middle. Coming over is the second baseman to grab it. Did he get it? No! Hao-Yu Lee is safe. Scoring is Bly Madriz.
And if I heard correctly, they scored that as single.
They did.
Now think about this, Matt.
Toledo 5-2, Bruce.
Yep, Toledo comes in 6th in the league in attendance, and they've had the second biggest crowd with overall in the league with opening day, 12,800.
Yep. And there'll be some more crowds that'll be approaching that as we get further into the summer, Bruce. But yeah, you know what? And the 2-2, runner goes, throw down. They're going to try to score Meadows, and they're both safe as Johnson drops the ball. The double steal works to perfection. Meadows gets his first stolen base. Hao-Yu Lee adds a stolen base as well, his 7th.
Yeah, that's a great Baseball right there. Parker Meadows, once he seen that ball go through, probably wasn't going to come. But as soon as that ball...
Sometimes they do that because they figure he's probably due for a good outing. Ground ball up the middle behind the second base bag is Lee. He's got it. Flips over to first to get P.J. Higgins by a step. 4-3. Yeah, Owens over in center field. Parker Meadows goes out of it. And a drive over to third. Pick up there. 5-4-3. They go around the horn. Workman to Lee to Madris. And that's a double play. The righty delivers a first pitch strike to Hao-Yu Lee. Solid night for him.
He could go back a second inning if he wanted to, I would think.
Probably even a third. Probably needed to throw an inning today. Swing and a miss from Hao-Yu Lee. He's going to...
does not want to use another pitcher.
And a chopper hit on the right side of the infield. Underhand flip to Madris will get Fraley. 4-3. Productive out as that'll score a run to make it 10-5.
As I was saying, Gabe Alvarez does not want to use another pitcher, but also doesn't want to make this a ball game.
And it'll be Jack Rogers who will step in.